Hey, welcome back again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your skin mode to dark in ChatGPT app. So let's begin. So first, let's go to our ChatGPT app. Here you can see I am in ChatGPT. We can see these two buttons. Now tap on it. Now you can see here my account, and beside my account you can see the three dot button. Tap on it. It will open the settings pop, and then you can see here color scheme. This is the thing we need to change our app screen to dark mode. Now you can see here it's saying system, but we will click on it and it will say dark light. So we need dark, so we will click on dark. This way you can see that the skin is now dark. So you can see totally dark. This way you can change your app screen to dark in ChatGPT app. I hope you like it. If you like it, like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this video. See you soon.